Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up the fingerprint sensor on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra. So if you want to use your finger for the fingerprint sensor, then you need to go to the settings. And then in the settings you want to go to security and privacy. And then over here you want to go to biometrics. And now over here you should be able to find fingerprints. If you go over here, you will need to enter your password for the lock screen, or draw the pattern, of course. Or if you don't have the screen lock, then of course you will need to set it up first. So once we are here, you want to press continue, and then we want to press register. Over here on the right side, at least in my case, we have the fingerprint sensor. We can press your finger in order to start scanning it. Of course, we need to press inside the circle and keep pressing from different angles. We want to make sure that the finger is pressed in the middle. There we go. And once, of course, we see 100%, then the scanning will be done. And of course, you want to try to scan from every angle possible in order to make sure that you can actually unlock your device with the fingerprint. Just in case, you can of course add another one by pressing add. And of course, you can use the same finger again. You can scan the same finger again in order to make sure that it is scanned properly. However, of course, you don't have to do that. You can simply press done. And once you press done, you will see the fingerprint settings where you can manage your fingerprints over here. You can find your fingerprint here. You can change the name. You can also remove it if you want to here, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.